Do you want to know how you can log out of your DeepL account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log out of your DeepL account. Go ahead and open deepl.com on your Chrome or Edge browser and then log into your account. Now, to log out of your account, simply go to your profile, which you can see on the right hand corner of your screen. So click on it and you can see the logout option. Go ahead and press logout and then you will be logged out of your DeepL account. Let me show it to you guys. Once again, go ahead and open deepl.com, log into your account and click on your profile. Now click logout and you can see that you have been logged out of your DeepL account. This was a video on how you can log out of your DeepL account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.